time of that mambo 3 step, we're going to take a step to the side, 1, step with that foot in place on 2, and step back to the center on 3. Same thing other side, stepping out 1, stepping center 2, and stepping in on 3. So it's just a 3 count, and it's usually in 4/4 time, which really can hurt your brain. Don't think about it too much. Just think in your brain, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Also, you want to make sure that you're stepping on a bent knee here, and then straightening it out so you get that awesome hip motion. Stepping on a bent knee, coming to center, straightening it out. Stepping on a bent knee, straighten, bend, straighten, right? You can also do this with straight arms here. A couple different variations. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Adding in that twist with your upper torso. Another variation of this is to cross that leg in front on your 1, 2, 3. Cross that leg in front, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.